Welcome back to my channel. So, progress. So far, we got to take out the concrete bump out that was unnecessary. Then the next thing that we did, we removed that bump out over here on the fireplace. So the fireplace now around it, there is more room. On to the next one. We removed the whole ceilings. This drop ceiling we took out over here. Then there was also drop ceiling over here on this side. Let's go to the master. Yeah, on the master, if you look up there, we had popcorn ceiling. We took that out. The old closets we took out. Drop ceiling up here. Now come to the master bathroom. Alright, let's see if we get some light in here. Give me a second. Here you go. Yeah. So we basically took out the top, removed this wall. We want to extend this wall over here so it comes all the way lined up with that wall over there. If you can see this wall right here. We're gonna have it extend all the way up here, and then in this corner we're gonna put the water heater. So this whole master bathroom is way bigger. We removed even this wall over here, and this is gonna be a door coming to the toilet room, to the restroom. Probably the toilet room will be on this side and the door on that side. All right, let's keep on going on the other side of the house. So, drop ceiling, we removed all the drop ceiling over here. This wall that was right here we got rid of. Then we also removed that drop ceiling over here. Actually, this wall right here, we're gonna build back all the way to where the old wall was. Alright, then coming in over here on this side, we also had the drop ceiling. We removed that. We want to have more ceiling space. Then in the office, we basically, again, removed all the popcorn walls. This room is basically ready to build back up. Alright. Oh, let me show over here. Okay, the bathroom is pretty much good to go. We're gonna leave those ones in until we get closer to the finished part. Here we go. Same as well over here. We took out the popcorn ceiling. All out. All right, next to this room, Same over here. Now the popcorn ceiling is all gone. So that's basically it, what we've done so far. So the next thing will be basically frame stuff back up. We're gonna open this wall up over here to do a pantry. We're gonna frame that wall over there. And as well as, come with me, we're gonna frame this wall back up in the garage. Then obviously we're gonna have to channel for the concrete over here for the drain, water lines, those ones all need to be moved. That's gonna be also a lot of fun. We're gonna put over here a pocket door. And this thing, we're gonna do another pocket door in here, so it doesn't take too much room. And oh, another wall right here. Then we're gonna build this in for the pantry. Right here, another wall coming from this side to that side. And in the master. So in the master, we're gonna move this door, the entrance door to the bathroom, further towards the right, somewhere over here probably. And then we're gonna build a wall coming from that side of the wall, all the way over there, to where I'm standing right now. Yeah. And then in the middle, basically, with an opening for the walk-in closet. Hope you guys enjoyed this journey. Stay tuned for the next episode. See you guys on the next one.